Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are not making any art because you don't have any art experience, this video is for you. I am sharing step-by-step process to make dried or pressed flower art. So let's start. Here is the list of materials we will need. A floating frame or any other frame, dried flowers, tweezers, Mod Podge or any other transparent glue, and a small brush. This frame comes with two glasses, so I will take out the glass on which I will be gluing the flowers and will clean it properly. If you are making it on paper, you can skip this step. Just ensure the surface on which you are making should be clean. I don't have any particular design in my mind right now, so I will just play around with the shapes, color balance and the flow. If you want, you can take some ideas from Pinterest or Google Images. This is the time to experiment and try different combinations of colors, sizes and textures. Take your time and don't be afraid to rearrange things until it feels right. I am happy with this design, so now I can start gluing it. Gently apply a thin layer of glue on the glass or on the flower using a brush. Place your flower and gently press it. These dried flowers are old and fragile, but they are still so beautiful. Be gentle with them and just enjoy the process of this art. Another best thing about this art is that anyone can make it without any art experience. You can make greeting cards, bookmarks, or cover page of your journals using the same technique. I am doing this on glass, but if you are doing it on paper, after everything is glued down and dry, brush a very light coat of Mod Podge over the top to seal and protect it. This step is optional but helps preserve the color and shape longer. I chose this design because I want to write something over here. I am using 3D liners and glass paint for this. If you don't want, you can just leave it as is. Actually, I wanted to write "You are just life," but due to space constraint, I decided to write just life. And this is just to remind myself whenever I am overthinking. I like art with simple messages as it can alter your point of view. Do let me know in the comment section below if you also feel the same. Actually, I had planned to paint it with the white glass paint, but later on I realized that all the walls in our house is white, so it will not be visible. So I decided to paint it with the pink. Feel free to choose the colors as per your liking. I really like to work with the glass paints because the colors look so vibrant. I changed the color of word just from white to black, and here I am doing the final touches. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and tag me if you try this. I would love to see your creations. Thank you for watching.